Thank you.
Carrie naman for my last question, nakasama mo ng Katniel, hindi ba? Anong meron dito sa Bardalas? Parang sabi mo, kinikilig ka rin naman sa Katniel. Anong meron dito sa dalawang ito na parang kakaiba naman sa Katniel?
Pareho nga, sorry pero ako lang, I will speak from the heart. Pareho kinikilig. Kasi sa shooting namin, kinikilig ako sa kanilang dalawa, even off-screen. Which was the same with sila Kat. So, pareho, nakakilig. Kaya gusto kong matuloy. Pero, no disrespect to your love, the love of your life. Hello, Jack. Thank you. Alam ko na, kinugel ko na siya, wala lang signal. Pero, kaya, hello, Jack. Pero kinikilig talaga ako, sorry. Diba?
Hindi, wala ka talaga nakikita ang pagkakaiba. Even kay Barbie, the way she acts or something.
They're both nice. Pareho naman she's just whiter than Kathy, but they're all nice. They're all beautiful women. They're like my children talaga. Walang pinagkaiba. And I love that the actors of today, the Gen Z, has learned to show respect. Kasi there was a batch, I don't remember which batch, pero nawala yung respeto sa mga nakakatanda. Alam mo, sabi ko nga, if you cannot respect the person, respect the age na lang, di ba? Pero these youngsters, they're also nice. Wala akong masabi, parang inaral nila at sinapuso nila kung anong importante sa buhay, respeto. And I love that for all of them, all of these young kids who I've worked with. Yeah. Kuya Lar, hello. Dali, hello. Kuya Lar, hindi kasi nabanggit kanina. Ayun, thank you.
Good luck sa pelikula niyo. Maganda siya, promise. Thank you.
Thank you, Ray. So,
Thank you, Tito Ray.
Yes, feeling ko, parang
sa ginagawa, and I heard we're also eyeing for the MMFF. Pagdating po sa pagpili ng mga bibida sa pelikula, habang sinusulat po ba ni Ella, kayo nag-conceptualize or brainstorming sa pelikula, nakikita niyo na kung sino yung artistang gaganap?
Yeah, madalas pagka nagpa-conceptualize kami, yung character talaga, kung babagay, iniisip na namin talaga kung sino. Pinipili namin kung sino yung mag-fit sa character. Not just by, choosing kung sinong sikat, kung sino ang in ngayon. But there's a factor talaga na malaking tulong kung makakapili ka ng isang taong or artista na relevant sa ngayon. Because it would help you promote the content itself. But ako, I always look for good actors who can really deliver the character that I want to project sa pelikulang gagawin.
Okay. And while writing the story?
Yes, I have to see them. Actually, to be very honest, pag hindi ko po nakikita yung artista for the character, I don't pitch it. I don't even tell them na maybe we can root for this artist, kahit na gano'n siya kalaki, or ano man yung relevance niya at that time. More on, habang sinusulat ko, pag nakita ko na silang ginagampanan yung character na yun, go na. And I'm very proud to say na I saw David and Barbie for this film, clearly. Kaya naging madali ko for Barda.
Thank you. Next lang, additional question for Direk Kathy. Ayan, Direk, another question po, di ba nababanggit naman ang lahat na parang si David nga, shy time, mahihain ganyan. Paano po pag nasa set, paano niyo po inilabas ang husay ni David Licauco sa that kind of love?
Same as David. Ganun pa rin siya. Well, nakakatuwa kasi napaka-genuine yung tao. Kung ano siyang makikita mo sa personality niya, walang pasal. Pero, I was really surprised kapag nandun na siya into character. Sobrang niyang binibigay ng maayos yung gusto kong makita sa character. And with Barbie's support, they really complement each other. Actually, yung pagiging tahimik ni David, yun ang character niya as Adam ni Joyce. Yung pagiging quirky ni Mia, yun din naman ang merong personal touch with Barbie. Kaya with David, sobra akong natutuwa kasi kahit papano, binibigay niya kung ano yung dapat para sa character niya. Very professional, man of his words, and kita niyo naman right siya, walang halong pasad sa karakter niya. Kaya I really appreciate actually both of them. Even Barbie, the way she explains herself, the way she take on David's place, diba? Ang ganda ng tandem nila. They're really a love team. Ito yung masasabi kong love team kasi the word team itself is very important. Yung professional and personal nila, tinatayo pa rin nila yung love team na sinasabi natin. So I am so rooting for these two. Sana po, with your help, magbigay naman tayo ng chance for this love team to work.
Oo yan. Thank you, Direk and Al. Maraming salamat. At Sir Jem, balik sa'yo. May question ka ba?
Sunflowers. Her favorite.
You're the best, Tina!
Fedora hat. She meeting you or Bruno Mars?
Congratulations! Sino na naman ang hinanapan mo ng love life?
Another win? Another one less lonely soul. Right. It's, don't you know who I am? O hindi mo ba ako kilala? Okay, you're the type.
At you know, mayaman, attractive, kaya nga hindi mo mapigilang tumitig, di ba?
Sobrang nakaka-frustrate yung feel na yung pagka-perfect ko niya.
Okay then, if you're so good at what you do, then find me a match.
No. Can you cook?
I go without him. Greek. French.
Korean.
Kung master chef pala ang hanap mo, di sana sumali ka lang sa competition. Hindi makikipagtalo ka sa date mo kung luto ba yung hipon o hindi.
It's prom.
Malaki hipon. Kung talaga ka panabahabag sa pinagagawa mo, liting-liting ko mo yung mukha mo.
Hindi mo kailangan mag-alala. Because you don't have to find love. Love will always find you.
Are you free today?
Kaya nga ako nandito, di ba?
Come on. I'll bring you home.
Yes, totoo yan. Kinikilig-kilig na naman talaga ang lahat naman nandito ngayon. Ramdam na ramdam natin, oo. Okay, sige. Direct Jem. Sir, Kuya Jem, dito na. May question lang ako. Kasi di ba nakita natin dun sa trailer natin na parang meron din silang mga shot na mga nasa Korea sila.
Soul.
Oo, nasa Korea. Di ba parang yung first movie ng Pocket Media, parang meron ding Korean na element, may factor. Tanungin naman natin ang ating creative producer, syempre. Meron bang meaning ang Korea sa ating mga ginagawang mga likha?
Oo nga, Miss L.
Actually, there's nothing special about it. I just love the country. At the same time, K-dramas are very relevant when it comes to rom-com films and series right now. So, given that we want a mainstream film that would give that kilig vibe and bring back the kilig vibe here in the Philippines, we thought maybe we can bring Florida in Korea.
Yung pala, thank you.
Tsaka Jano, yung feature ni Direct Sisi Camarillo sa Chai ay different naman sa mga places na feature niya dito sa Kind of Love. Di ba Direct? Tama ba?
Yes.
Ay.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss L. Kuya Jem, simulan na natin. Sa Studio 1 ba dyan? Studio 2?
Studio 2, actually ang second
Ayan.
question, first question na sa Studio One. Galing sa nag